Never do these things, because your dog will get stressed. Number 1. Loud noises. Many dogs are fearful of thunder and fireworks, but for some, the sounds from garbage trucks or nearby construction can cause noise anxiety. 2. Being left alone. Separation anxiety in dogs takes the fear of being home alone to extreme levels, but even dogs who don't suffer from this debilitating condition can experience stress when their people leave. The last reason will shock you, but first, tell me in the comments what stresses your dog. Number 3. Children. Kids love dogs, but often the reverse isn't true. Children can be noisy and high energy, and they usually don't understand basic canine body language cues. This lack of dog sense can lead to misunderstandings or worse, which is why pet parents should intervene if they sense their dog isn't enjoying an interaction with a child. Finally, number 4. You. If you feel tense and show signs of stress, it's likely that your signs of stress. It's likely that your dog senses your displeasure. Our dogs are incredibly sensitive to our emotions, so when we face stress, they can feel stress and anxious. Don't forget to share and follow us for more videos like this, and tell me in comments what's thing your dog stressed.